Hello and welcome to Anna and Jake, Real Life English. This is slow English for everyday life. We speak slowly. We use simple words. We use real English.
Hi everyone, nice to have you here. Today we are talking about paying at a restaurant. This is a very common situation.
Imagine this. You are sitting in a restaurant. You have finished your food. You have finished your drink. Now you want to leave, but first you need to pay the bill.
Paying at a restaurant is easy, but you need the right words. Let's learn them step by step, slowly, clearly.
First, let's talk about the bill. In British English, people say the bill. In American English, people often say the check.
The bill and the check mean the same thing. Both are correct. You can use both.
Now, let's imagine the waiter is not at your table. You are ready to pay, so you need to ask for the bill.
A very common sentence is, "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?"
Let's say it again, slowly. Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?
One more time. "Excuse me, could we have the bill, please?"
In American English, you can say, excuse me, could we get the check, please?
Let's repeat that. "Excuse me, could we get the check, please?"
Both sentences are polite. Both sentences are normal. You can use them in a restaurant.
Now the waiter brings the bill. The bill is on the table. You look at it carefully.
You check the food. You check the drinks. You check the total price. Everything looks correct.
Now it is time to pay. You can pay in different ways. You can pay by card or you can pay cash.
If you want to pay by card, you can say, can I pay by card, please?
Let's say it slowly. "Can I pay by card, please?"
You can also say, could I pay by card, please?
This sounds very polite. Let's repeat it. "Could I pay by card, please?"
If you want to pay cash, you can say, I'll pay cash.
Or you can say, "Can I pay in cash?"
Sometimes the waiter asks you a question. The waiter says, cash or card?
You can answer very simply. "Card, please." Or "Cash, please."
After you pay, the waiter gives you the receipt. The waiter often says, thank you.
And you can answer, "Thank you." Or "Thank you very much."
This is the end of the situation. You paid the bill. You can now leave the restaurant.
Paying at a restaurant is easy. You just need a few simple sentences. Now you know them.
This was Slow English for Real Life. Thank you for listening to Anna and Jake Real Life English.
See you in the next episode. Bye.